Hi again. Just wanted to do another unboxing. I'm continuing. I have 4 more boxes to go. This is, I have it already open, but I haven't looked inside yet. I have the label, so I didn't want to show my address. Anyway, this is October's Quilter's candy box, and this is everything that it includes. Pink tissue paper as always. So let's see what kind of goodies we got in here. We have the Priester's pecans, mini old-fashioned pecan pie. So that will be enjoyable. I'll be eating that later. I have, this must have fallen out. Just Add Sunshine Ink, Signs and Other Happiness. And this is a super cute, looks like it's not, I'm not sure if it's painted or not, but super cute little wooden sign. I guess I could put some kind of a hanger and hang it someplace near my sewing machine. That's really cute. So it says, a custom one-of-a-kind wooden sewing machine block. Katie Sabin of Just Add Sunshine Ink worked with me on picking the colors and design for these adorable decorative blocks. You can place your sewing machine block in your sewing room or anywhere you want to proudly and beautifully display your love of sewing. And I love the colors. It's like a aqua teal with a little heart, red heart. That's super cute. Next is this little burlap bag or cheesecloth bag. It says Quilter's candy box. It looks like there's a pin inside. And it says Stay Sweet. It's an enamel pin from Amy Sinibaldi. Collector set. It says 1 of 2. Flair that cares. And it says, because of your purchase, we donated $1 to Care USA. That's really cute. Makerpinco.com. And a Stay Sweet enamel pin. That is really cute. Quilter's candy box is one of my favorite. They really procure really nice things. And I love that they're donating something. Okay, so here's the fabric. Well, let's get into this. This fabric, 5 half-yard cuts of Amy Sinibaldi's lovely new Sonata fabric for Art Gallery Fabrics. You're going to fall in love with the Beethoven-inspired prints, lovely designs, and colors. So this, yep, Beethoven for sure. Number 1 in C major, Op. 21. Number 4 in B flat minor. So it has some music notes in this blue, light blue color. And this is a nice overall flower print. Like the colors of that too. This is white background with blue. This is super cute. Like a laurel wreath. This is a pink background with windows and flower sills. And a geometric print. It's also kind of a mauve-y background. So that's really nice. I like that. Let's see what pattern comes in it. This one says Trixie Baby. Let me open it, get it out of the package so it's easier to see. So it says Trixie Baby, Throw, Twin, and Queen sizes. So here's all the fabric requirements. And it looks fairly easy. It's from Hello Melly Designs, number 116. So it does look pretty easy. So I guess I'll be using these fabrics for it. Super cute. Okay, thanks. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks, and talk to you later. Bye.